Understanding Pizza Stone, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific, but widely used term in cooking and kitchenware: pizza stone. Understanding such terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the culture behind the language. Let's dive in. A pizza stone is a flat slab made of ceramic, stone, or sometimes even metal. It's used for baking pizzas in an oven. The key feature of a pizza stone is its ability to absorb heat and transfer it evenly to the pizza dough. This process mimics the effect of a traditional brick pizza oven, resulting in a pizza with a crispy crust. The concept of the pizza stone is rooted in the history of pizza making. Traditional Italian pizzas were cooked in brick ovens, where the brick's high heat capacity and thermal conductivity produced a uniquely crispy crust. The pizza stone was developed as a way to replicate this effect in modern ovens. It's a great example of how culinary traditions adapt to new technologies. Using a pizza stone is simple but requires some technique. First, you need to preheat the stone in the oven at a high temperature, usually around 475 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 to 260 degrees Celsius, for about an hour. Then, you place the pizza dough with toppings on the hot stone to bake. The stone's porous nature helps draw moisture from the dough, contributing to a crispy base. Taking care of your pizza stone is important for its longevity. Avoid using soap to clean it, as the stone can absorb the soap's flavor. Instead, scrape off any stuck food and wipe it with a damp cloth. Also, avoid sudden temperature changes, like placing a cold stone in a hot oven, as it might crack. I hope this video has helped you understand what a pizza stone is and how it's used in cooking. It's more than just a kitchen tool. It's a bridge connecting us to the rich history of pizza making. Keep exploring and expanding your English vocabulary with us. See you in the next video.